Now you see the camera is working fine. But if you open the second time, it fails to respond. It throws out an error, can't connect to camera. So how do you fix it? Very simple. Go to Play Store and type CMFix. Don't install the app now. Click on Read More and you will see a link down there. Click on it. It will take you to a website asking your permission to download external apps. Once you grant the permission, it will download. Install the external downloaded apps. And then it's done. Now install the Play Store CMFix app. After the app is installed, drag and bring it to the next to your camera app. So you have to click on CMFix and it pops up a message. Super user has granted permission. Now we can open your camera. Video will work in first attempt, and second attempt when you shift to still camera, it still works fine. When you open the camera again, after closing it on still camera, the camera gets stuck again. But now if you click on CMFix and camera again, it works fine. If you close it and open the camera again, it does not work. So again you need to click on CMFix and then open your camera, it works fine. But if you shift to video, it's the same problem again. Close it and click on CMFix and open the camera again, it works perfect. Best solution in this problem is keep both the apps together, and whenever you plan to open your camera, click on CMFix first and then the camera. If you need better solutions and fixes, please feel free to comment. We'll reply. Thanks for watching.